Hi everyone, back again. This time it's the walkthrough for the it was supposed to be a mini folio, but it ended up being a monster folio, and this is using the papers Come One Come All from Graphic 45. The original page assembly was the same as the Once Upon a Springtime, but then I added more bits and pieces to it. So when you open this one up, you've got your central page again for both of them. So we'll start on this side. So this opens up, and in here you've got your photo mats and you've got your vertical pocket there. Then you pull that one open and you can see you've got more photo storage there and there. So we'll just let that one close. And then on here you've got a little tiny handle. This is from our new hardware die set. Open that out, more photo storage there. And then here we've got two flaps which are actually closed with our debossed page tabs, and they open each way, so you've got a little pocket here, and then here you've also got a pocket, and then in the centre you've got a vertical pocket there, so lots of storage there. That just closes down like that, and then this page lifts up, more photo storage here, and then when you come onto this page you've got another vertical pocket here, and then open it out, another pocket there, vertical pockets there, and then it still pulls out even more and goes on there like that. So I'm hoping at some point to do a tutorial for this one. We have still got some of the papers, but you may find you need either two 8x8 pads or one 8x8 and one 12x12. Or you might get away with just a 12x12. So on this side it's not the same. So that one opens out, you've got a vertical pocket. That opens out that way. And I'll let this close. Oh, actually, have I forgotten a bit? No, I haven't. Okay, so the next bit, this lifts up like this, opens up, and then you've got two pages that flap open like this. You've got another vertical pocket there, and then that opens out that way. It also opens out that way, which is where you had your other vertical pocket. Close that over. Little tuck spot here. I didn't put a photo mat here because I actually liked this image, so I just popped an invisible straight pocket slot there. Another little vertical pocket, another 6x4, and then this pulls out. And you can see here you've got your smaller photos here, you've got a dimensional pocket here, and then you've also got photograph storage on this side as well. So it's a fun one to do, and it's actually much more simple than it looks. Otherwise I wouldn't have been able to do it. Bye!